Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all have enjoyed your Diwali vacation. Now the vacation is over. Now this is our first video, and in this first video we are going to start the fourth unit of science, and in that unit we are going to learn the human body. So students, open page number 47 of your textbook. Now we are going to learn the 7th chapter. The name of the chapter is our body, म्हणजे आपलं शरीर. Okay. Now let us recall some questions. काही questions आपण recall करू. Let us discuss something. Okay. So first question is, do all of us look alike? म्हणजे काय, आपण सगळे alike म्हणजे सारखे दिसतो का? Are we all look same or like each other? No, we are different. आपण एकमेकांपेक्षा कसे दिसतो? वेगळे दिसतो. ओके. Then next question is, how many eyes and ears do we have? This is a simple question. तुम्हाला किती डोळे आहेत आणि किती कान आहेत? Yes, its answer is 2. We have 2 eyes and 2 ears as well. Okay. Now the third one. Now the next question is, do all of us have the same hair color? म्हणजे आपल्या सर्वांच्या केसाचा रंग सेम असतो का? No, it is different. Some may have the black hair, some may have the light black hair, or some may have the brown hair. Okay, so the color of hair is different of each person. Okay, now let us start the lesson. The first point is body parts. Okay, now what is given here? Our body has many parts. We all know that our body has many parts. Okay, now we are going to learn which are those parts. All parts of the body work together to help us live. It means what? याचा अर्थ काय होतो की आपले जितके काही मेनी बॉडी पार्ट्स आहेत ते मेनी बॉडी पार्ट्स म्हणजे जे सगळे बॉडी पार्ट आहे ते काय करतात, तर ते एकत्रितपणे काय करतात, वर्क करतात. दे वर्क टुगेदर, अँड ॲज दे वर्क टुगेदर वी कॅन परफॉर्म एनी टाईप ऑफ वर्क. म्हणजे आपल्याला जर वर्क करायचं असेल, काम करायचं असेल, तर सगळे बॉडी पार्ट्स काय करतात? दे वर्क इन अ कोऑर्डिनेशन. ओके. Okay, now look at this picture. What you see in this picture? Yes, there is a picture of a girl. Now we are not going to learn about the girl, but we are going to learn about the body parts. Now let us see here. What is this? This is a head. This part of the body is called a head. Now this is a hair. The black portion over the head is called as the hair. Okay, now what is this? This is a ear. Okay, now next one is, this is a chin. This is a chin. Okay, now what is this? This is a eye. Okay, now what is this? This is a nose. Now what is this? What is this? This is a cheek. Okay, now next part is, what is this? This is a lips. Now come downwards. Now what is this? This is a elbow. Okay, now what is this? This is our hand. Okay, now come here. Now what is this? This is a foot. And what is this part of the body is called? This part of the body is called as a leg. So this is our whole body, and we have just seen that the body has many parts. Now which are the parts of the body? Can you tell? Yes, let us recall them. First is the head, hair, ear, chin, eye, nose, cheek, lips, elbow, hand, foot and legs. All these are our body parts. Now open page number 48 of your textbook. Okay, now we will learn the work of each and every body part here. Okay, now at first we will see what is the work of legs. Legs म्हणजे काय? पाय. So what is the work of the legs? Legs help us to stand, walk and run. Now what can we do with the help of legs? Yes, we can walk, we can run, and we can also stand with the help of the legs. So this is the work of our legs. Okay, now let us see the next one. Now what is the work of hands? Hands help us to write and hold the things. Means what is the use of the hand? The most important thing is that we can write with our hands. And next what we can do with it? We can hold things. We can hold things with the help of our hand. Okay, here you can see in the picture the boy is writing with his hand, and what is the girl doing? She is holding a thing in her hand. Means the most important work of the hand is to write and hold things, and other are so many works which can hand perform. Okay, now let us see what is the sense organs. Okay, sense organs means what? Jnanendriya. Okay, means the organs which gives us knowledge about the surrounding, that is called as the sense organs. Okay, now let us see which are the sense organ. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the body part that helps to feel the world around us. These are called sense organs. Now how many sense organs are there here? We have learned that the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, there are total 5 sense organs. Okay, and they help us to feel the world which is around us. Okay, now let us see it in the detail. Now what is the use of the eyes? Eyes help us to see the things. Means we can see this beautiful world with the help of our eyes. Means we can see the surrounding with our eyes. Okay, now next one is the ears. What is the work of it? Ears help us to hear. Yes, we can hear the different sound around us with the help of our ears. Okay, then next one is the tongue. What is the work of tongue? Tongue help us to taste. Yes, we can taste the different tasty things with our tongue. Then next one is the nose. Now what is the work of nose? Nose help us to smell. Yes, we can smell with our nose. Okay, now the next body part is skin. What is the work of skin? Skin help us to feel and touch. Yes, we can understand or feel something with the help of our skin. Let us see the example. Here you can see that the boy is touching the rabbit. Now what will he understand? That the rabbit's body or his outer covering is very soft, means it gives the feel. Now which body parts gives us the feel? Yes, skin gives us the feel. Then touch means suppose we touch something. Suppose this girl is touching a trunk of the tree. Now how is the touch here? It is a hard. Here we can see that the body of the rabbit is soft and the trunk of the tree is hard. So we can take the help of skin to understand the feel and touch. Okay. Now let us answer some questions. Okay. Now which body part is used to do the following? Following action करण्यासाठी कोणते body parts यूज केले जातात? सर्कल दोज दॅट यूज द सेन्स ऑर्गन्स. आणि त्या बॉडी पार्ट्सला आपल्याला सर्कल करायचं आहे. जे बॉडी पार्ट्स काय आहेत? दे आर द सेन्स ऑर्गन्स. ओके, लेट अस सी द फर्स्ट वन, रीड. नाउ which organ help us to read? Yes, right. Our eyes help us to read. So it is also the eyes are our sense organs. So circle it like this. Okay. Now the second one is write. So which organ we use to write? Yes, we use our hands. So write here hand. Then third one is the run. Which body part we use to run? Yes, we use our legs to run. So write the spelling of legs here like this. Now the next word is smell a rose. Now which body part we use for it? For to take the smell of something? Yes, we use our nose. So write the spelling of nose there. And most important thing is that nose is a sense organ. So circle it like this. Okay. Now the last one is the feel. Now which body part tell us about the feel? Yes, absolutely right. Skin. So write the word skin there. Okay. And it is also the sense organ. So circle it like this. This is your homework. You have to complete it in your textbook as well as in your notebook. Okay. Now the next point. Growing up. Growing up म्हणजे काय? मोठं होणं. A baby grows into the child. जो baby असतो, baby grows into the child. After growth, it turns into the child. Children grows to become adults, and after some time, as the time passes, the child or the children grows into the adults. Now who are these adults? Adults are the grown up people. And who are the adults? Adults are grown up people, म्हणजे मोठी माणसं. Okay. Now let us see, did you know, म्हणजे तुम्हाला माहित आहे का? We should keep our body healthy and clean. आपण आपली जी बॉडी आहे ती हेल्दी आणि क्लीन ठेवायची आहे. Eating healthy food and regular exercise help our body to stay healthy. And suppose we wanted to remain healthy, which are the things we should do? First one is we have to eat the healthy food, and second one is we have to take a regular exercise. चांगली डाएट, चांगलं फूड खायचं आहे, आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे एक्सरसाइज करायची आहे. आणि असं जर आपण केलं तर आपली बॉडी कशी राहणार? हेल्दी अँड फिट. Okay then, bye.